Hey, it's Ty with Credit Suite, and in this business credit funding tip, I'm going to introduce you to a vendor who can help you build initial business credit. So you have to remember to use starter vendors to build initial credit profiles and scores. These are vendors who will give you credit when you have none, and they report that credit to the business reporting agencies. You cannot start trying to build business credit directly at sources like Staples, Amazon, Office Depot, or even at your bank. You've got to use these kind of starter vendors to build the initial credit profile and score before you go to those other sources. And a great starter vendor to check out is Gimplers. Now they sell work supplies and products. They report to Dun and Bradstreet, and if you're placing an order of $50 or higher, then they will actually approve you for business credit if you have some initial business credit established. Now if they don't, then they may want you to provide a personal guarantee, or you may want to wait until you have one or two accounts approved before you actually get Gimplers. So for a list of more vendors that can help you build business credit, check us out directly online at creditsuite.com/tips.